Hi, and welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih series.
In this lesson, we will talk about input method in Python 3. We will learn how to take input from the user. We have two methods to handle users' input in Python 3. First method is input. Input method is used to accept input from the user. And second method is print. I have another video on print method. If you want to learn more about print method, then watch my video that is related to print method. In this video, we will cover input method. And with example, we can understand more easily and accurately. See here in example. We have a variable name, and with input method we can take name from the user, and this is a prompt which is a message for the user. And second variable is salary, and with input method we will take salary from the user. And third is company, and with input method we will take name of company from the user. And these three print methods are used to print the value that will user enter. See here, when I run the code, first pop-up shown up, which is a input box with a message, enter employee name Atif, then press enter, then salary, then company name XYZ. See here, employee name is Atif, salary is this, and company name is XYZ. One thing you have to remember that whatever we entered in input method, it will treat the value as string. But if we want to take value as an integer or float, then we have to convert string to integer or floating point. If you want to learn about typecasting, then I have another video on typecasting. You should have to watch that video. See here, with second example I will try to explain how to check the type of input variable. See here, we have a variable number with input method that take a number from the user, and second name, it will take a name from the user. And with type method we can check the data type of value that user will enter. First enter number, then name. See here, both variable return a string value, but if we want to take integer value from the user, then we must convert a string to an integer. And with the help of int method we can easily convert a string into integer. See here, we have a variable num and we want to take a number from the user. then we must use int method, and within int method we can call input. And see here, with print we can check the data type. Enter number. See here, now the type of number is int. Next we will learn, we can take a number from the user and we can add two numbers. And see here, we have two numbers, 1 and 2, and with int method we can convert input to input, that is by default string, and with input method we can convert the string into integer value. And see here, in both variable we use int and then input, and after that we can sum both numbers, 2 and 3, and see here the result 5. Next, if we want to take value in floating point, then we must use float method. I have explained how to convert float to int to float, string to float, string to complex in my data type video. If you want to learn typecasting, then you have to watch that video. See here, with float method we can convert a string value that is by default generated by Python, and we can convert a string into float with the help of float method. See here, with type method we can check the data type of float number, 2.3. see here, it returns class float. And next thing is, if we want to take multiple input values in one line, then see here, with example we can learn how to do that. We must separate all the variable with comma, and then input method, and see here, at the end we must place dot split method with input method, and with the help of dot split method we can take multiple input from the user. And one thing we have to remember, that if split method is empty, it means it has no argument, then by default it is space separated. They must separate the each value by space. See here, name Atif, then space, then space, see here. With the help of dot split method we can take multiple input from the user. In this video we have learned about input methods in Python. If you want to learn more about Python, please subscribe my channel. and like and share my videos. And don't forget to click on bell icon. You get notified when I add a new video. Thank
Stay
you so
tuned.
much for
We'll be
watching
right
my
back.
video.